Today's featured car of the day is a 1961 Rambler Custom convertible in this beautiful candy apple red paint job. This one I recorded at my local classic car auction where it only bid to $10,000 but did not sell, which was too bad. It was a good looking car. Only had 2,000 miles on a rebuilt motor, had a power top that worked well. Runs excellent, straight as an arrow, beautiful condition inside and out. Was a real nice car. This was Rambler's second generation of the Rambler American, which went from 1961 through 1963. And this one was a pretty rare bird. They only made 2,063 of the custom convertible. They made a total of 10,855 convertibles for 1961. But like I said, only 2,063 were the custom convertible. And this one was a real looker, definitely. It would have been a great candidate to do some type of resto mod, putting a newer 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder engine in it and the whole powertrain out of something. I don't know. And it would be make a neat car. And you're only spending 10 grand for a car that looks good to begin with, then you can leave it the way it is or put something new in it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. Oh, by the way, I wanted to mention they used a 1962 version of this, the Rambler American convertible, on the TV show Third Rock from the Sun. So if it looks familiar to you, that's probably where you saw it. That one was just a plain, more of a fire engine red with the white stripe down the side that the 62s had. But either way, once again, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1961 Rambler American Custom Convertible. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.